In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight key points with circles in PowerPoint in a simple, fast, and professional way. This is a great technique when you want to draw attention to an important word, number, image detail, or part of a slide without making it look cluttered. Whether you're creating a presentation for school, work, business, or content creation, this method helps you make your message stand out clearly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips. Let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to highlight something important. The process starts at the top menu. Click on Insert, then go to Shapes and choose the oval shape. Even though it says oval, we're going to turn it into a perfect circle in just a second. This is the shape we'll use to surround the key point on your slide. Now, before you draw it, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. This is the important step that keeps the shape perfectly round instead of stretched into an oval. While still holding Shift, click, and drag on the slide to draw your circle. You can make it as small or as large as you need, depending on what you want to highlight. If your circle is too big or too small, don't worry. You can always resize it afterward by dragging the corners. Once the circle is on the slide, move it over the key point you want to emphasize. This could be a specific bullet point, a number in a chart, a word in a text box, or even an object in a screenshot. The goal is to place the circle so it frames the important detail and instantly guides the viewer's eyes to that spot. Next, we're going to format the circle so it looks clean and professional. Click on the circle to select it, then go to Shape Fill. From there, choose No Fill. This removes the color inside the shape, which is exactly what we want because the point is to highlight the content underneath, not cover it up. After that, go to Shape Outline. Here you can choose the color of the circle. Red is a strong choice if you want something bold and attention-grabbing, while yellow works really well for a softer highlight look. Pick the color that fits your presentation style and the message you want to deliver. Now, let's make the circle easier to see. Still in the shape outline options, increase the weight, which controls the thickness of the line. A thicker outline makes the circle stand out much more, especially if your slide has a busy background or a lot of text. You want the circle to be visible immediately without overpowering the rest of the design. If needed, you can also adjust the size and position one more time so it lines up perfectly with your key point. You can even duplicate the circle and use multiple circles on the same slide if you want to highlight more than one area. This technique is especially useful for step-by-step slides, training presentations, product demos, and before and after comparisons. And that's it. You've now highlighted key points with circles in PowerPoint. It's a simple trick, but it can make a huge difference in how clear and polished your slides look. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe for more PowerPoint guides, presentation tips, and easy productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.